Hi, my name's Tamsin and I work for Gymdeithas Eryri, Snowdonia Society, and we're here at Cwrs Gwynedd today. We're working with the North Wales Wildlife Trust who own and manage this reserve.
Today we're reinforcing a fence line which runs across a wetland, and it's being reinforced for when the cattle get put on and when they graze, so they don't disturb the fence.
Today we've got a group of 7 volunteers coming out with us, and 3 of them are students who are working on our conservation skills module.
So I'm doing a practical conservation unit where I get on volunteering work days and help out and learn more the practical side of conservation, and then do a write-up on what I've done and what I've learned.
So the idea is to help young people to get a practical qualification whilst they're volunteering. So it's not a great deal of extra work to the volunteering, but it gives them a certificate at the end, something that they can put on their CVs and show to future employers that they do have practical knowledge and practical skills.
It will help because it will show I've got good experience within the field, and it also, because it's accredited, it will show that it's of a high standard.
We wouldn't be able to be doing the conservation skills module if it wasn't for the funding that we've received from Snowdonia Giving, and it's been a great help to be able to get this new conservation skills qualification underway.
Yeah, it's been good fun so far.
It's really good fun, despite the weather.